Hello kids! Welcome to Cram Educational TV. In this video, we will learn about functions of adverbials. Functions of adverbials has many forms. First, an adverb modifies as a verb. Example, he runs fast. The word fast is an adverb that modifies the verb runs. She speaks softly. Softly is an adverb that modifies a verb of speaks. The girl dances well. Well is an adverb that modifies a verb dances. An adverb modifies as adjective. For example, the weather is extremely hot. It modifies the adjective weather. Sam is an early riser. Early is an adverb that modifies the adjective riser. The baby is quite innocent. Quiet is an adverb that modifies the adjective baby. An adverb modifies another verb. For example, he runs very fast. Very modifies the another adverb, which is the word fast. Next example, I love my sister very much. Very is an adverb that modifies the another verb. He is rather careless. Careless is an adverb that modifies another adverb, which is careless. Let's proceed to another functions. An adverb modifies a preposition. For example, the fruit dropped exactly on the basket. Exactly is an adverb that modifies a preposition. The word preposition in the first example is the word on. On is a preposition. Second example, I saw the solar eclipse clearly with my telescope. An adverb is the clearly and modifies a preposition with. With is an example of a preposition. Another examples, the cat is silently in the room. The preposition in the sentence is the word in, and the adverbs is the word silently. The silently modifies a preposition, the word in. Now let's move on to another functions of adverbs. It is a conjunction. Example, he likes the baby only because it's cute. When we say conjunction, it is a word that used to connect clauses or sentences. So in this example, the adverbs is the underlined word only, and a conjunction is the word because. Because in an example of conjunction. Let's move on to another example. She dislikes the man simply because he is a liar. An adverb in the sentence is the word simply, and it modifies a conjunction, the word because. Let's move on to another functions of adverbs. An adverb modifies a determiner. For example, he has only one coat. Remember that a determiner helps to clarify what a noun is referring to. So in the first example, he has only one coat. The adverbs in the sentence is the word only, and it modifies a determiner, the word one. It only talks about one coat. Example number 2, she has already 2 bags of fruits. The adverbs in the sentence is already, and a determiner is the word do. Another functions of adverbs modifies a phrase. When we say phrase, it is a group of two or more words that express a single idea but do not form a complete sentence. For example, my car is completely out of work. The adverbs in this sentence is the word completely and it modifies a phrase out of work. Out of work is an example of a phrase. Example number two, he came here after the sunset. Here is a function of adverbs, and the phrase refers after the sunset. Another functions of adverbs, it modifies a clause. For example, I met him yesterday when he was dancing. The adverbs in the sentence is yesterday, while the clause is when he was dancing. When we say clause, it is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb that have relationship. This relationship is crucial. A clause conveys information about what the subject is or is doing. The last functions of adverbs, it modifies a sentence. For example, slowly he reached his destination. In your previous lessons, modifies a sentence, it is a very common functions of an adverbs that we use. This is what we call a fronted adverbial since the adverbs is in front of the sentence. Example number two, probably she is right. The adverbs is in the front of the sentence. Another example for the sentence, unfortunately, Amy missed the school bus and she was late. The adverbs is in the front of the sentence. All done. That's end our discussion. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.